Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel 99 Reviews. In this video, I am going to tell you about how you can make your iPhone will experience better by changing these settings. So let's start the video. The first one is open your iPhone settings, scroll down and then open sound and haptics. Scroll down again and here you can see keyboard feedback, tap on it and turn on these both options. Moving towards second one, open settings again, scroll down and open accessibility. In accessibility, open touch option. Here, select 3D touch and haptics and then turn on 3D touch in your Ipona. Set the bar from medium to high. And in the lower settings, select slow instead of high, as this gives more smoother touch response. The third one is about noise cancellation. Open settings, again, then go to accessibility and here find audio and visuals. Open it and then scroll down. Here you can see noise cancellation, turn this option on. Thus will also improve your iPhone experience. After changing all these settings, you must feel better iPhone experience than before. So that's it for the teacher video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel 99 Reviews and I will see you in the next one.